Is it the right time to buy or sell ARM Holdings plc stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the analysis of ARM Holdings plc. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, February 12, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive evaluation. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Missing out on any vital updates that could impact your investments is not something you'd want. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of February 7, 2024, our system has ranked ARM Holdings plc as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, ARM Holdings plc has exceeded our expectations, showing a remarkable gain of 93.44% since we first recommended buying it just 4 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 23.36% since it was classified as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts a high level of volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the latest developments, it is uncertain which direction the stock will take next. It could go either way. The stock has recently broken a strong and upward short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of rise. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the previous trend's breakpoint of $93.63. This could present a second opportunity to make a successful trade. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 54.09% change expected over the next 3 months. However, there is also a possibility of a return between -16.71% and -3.15%. Our latest update on ARM Holdings plc reveals a volatile ride for its stock price on Monday, with fluctuations between $118.70 and $164. The stock price of ARM Holdings plc experienced a significant gain of 29.3% during the last trading day on Monday, February 12, 2024. It rose from $115.21 to $148.97 and has shown an upward trend for the past 4 days. It will be interesting to see if this momentum continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 38.16%, reaching a low of $118.70 and a high of $164. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, resulting in a remarkable 104.26% increase over the past 2 weeks. The volume of trading also increased on the last day, indicating a positive technical sign. A total of 63 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 111 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $16.47 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price was $164, while the lowest was $46.50. Currently, the price is 9.16% or $15.03 below the 52-week high of $164, which also happens to be the all-time high for this stock. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, February 8, 2024, Needham gave ARM a hold grade with a hold action. On the same day, Mizuho Securities rated ARM as a buy with a hold action. Bank of America Securities also gave ARM a buy grade with a hold action on February 8, 2024. Goldman Sachs joined the positive sentiment by assigning a buy grade with a hold action to ARM on the same day. Moving to November 20, 2023, Wells Fargo rated ARM as overweight with an initiate action. Analysts have given ARM Holdings plc stock a general buy rating. They strongly recommend the PE ratio and price to book, giving them a strong buy rating. However, for return on investment, the analysts have a more cautious stance and give the stock a neutral rating. Let's take a look at the signals for ARM Holdings plc. The stock of ARM Holdings plc is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals suggests a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, the stock is likely to find support at levels around $96.05 and $77. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be triggered. In terms of recent performance, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, January 5, 2024, resulting in a significant increase of 122.18% so far. This suggests a further rise until a new top pivot is identified. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The volume of trading is increasing along with the price, which is considered to be a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal 26 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator displays a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the following signals. The short moving average displays a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 62 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 55 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for ARM Holdings plc. When analyzing the downside, it's important to note that the stock has support levels just below its current price. These support levels can be found at $115.21 and $113.89, based on accumulated volume. However, it's worth mentioning that there is no significant support below today's level. This increases the risk, as a drop below the support at $113.89 could result in a substantial decline in the stock price. It's crucial to consider the volatility of this stock. ARM Holdings plc has the potential to experience significant price movements throughout the day. In fact, it is considered to be a very high-risk stock due to its large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. Looking at the recent performance, the stock exhibited a daily price range of $45.30, which is equivalent to a 38.16% fluctuation. Additionally, over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 20.18%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for ARM Holdings plc, let's go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. The P/E ratio for ARM Holdings plc is quite high. This could indicate that the stock is overvalued. However, it's important to note that it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have high P/E ratios. Today, we'll be diving into potential day trading levels for ARM Holdings plc. As we analyze the stock, we find no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This indicates that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a scenario, it may be wise to enter a position and utilize volume indicators to determine the most opportune moment to exit. On the downside, ARM Holdings plc encounters its first support level at $115.21. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, potentially leading to a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for ARM Holdings plc is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On February 16, 2011, Stephen G. Rothmeyer, an insider, made a purchase of 4,500 shares of common stock. On the same day, Stephen G. Rothmeyer conducted a sell-off of 4,500 shares of restricted share units. William R. Newlin, another insider, made a purchase of 4,500 shares of common stock on February 16, 2011. Similarly, William R. Newland conducted a sell-off of 4,500 shares of restricted share units on the same day. James E. Marley also participated in insider trading by purchasing 4,500 shares of common stock on February 16, 2011. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of 0.000. In total, insiders have purchased 846,165 shares and sold 190,612 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $144.23, indicating a decrease of 3.18%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which can lead to higher risk. It's important to note that the RSI 14 is currently at 91, further increasing the overall risk level. We have also identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom discovered 25 days ago. Is ARM Holdings plc stock a good buy? Although ARM Holdings plc shows some positive signals, we don't believe it is a strong buy candidate at the moment. It would be wise to consider holding or accumulating this position while waiting for further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. When trading resumes on Tuesday, February 13th, we anticipate ARM Holdings plc to open with a decrease of $5.08 and begin trading at $143.89. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We highly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment actions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.